Hey, beautiful soul. Yes, you the one watching right now. Before we dive into the most life-changing truth you may ever hear, I need you to do something that literally activates the field. If you have a wish, a dream, something you've been begging the universe or God to give you, do this right now. Hit that like button, subscribe and turn on the bell. Type your exact wish in the comments as if it's already done, and share this video with at least 2 people who need to hear this today. I'm not saying this for the algorithm. I'm saying this because the moment you declare it publicly and send this energy forward, the 5D field locks onto your signal. I've seen it happen thousands of times. Miracles start in the comment section. Go do it now. Perfect. You just stepped out of 3D scarcity and into 5D co-creation. Let's begin. My friend, you are not here by accident. You felt the pull to click on this video because something inside you already knows. The old world is crumbling, and a new one is being born through you. For years, people have talked about ascending to 5D, but very few explain what actually happens when the shift clicks inside your body, your mind, your reality. Today, I'm going to pull the curtain all the way back. No fluff, no hard words, no $5,000 retreats required, just raw truth from someone who lived through the shift and watched thousands of others cross the same bridge. Let's start with the hardest pill first. The death of the 3D ego. When the 5D frequency first hits your field, it feels like your entire personality is being deleted. Everything you thought you were, your stories, your trauma, your reasons why life is hard starts to feel fake. You'll wake up one morning and literally not recognize the person in the mirror. That's not depression. That's the 3D avatar shutting down. Most people panic here. They run back to old habits, old relationships, old jobs, because the ego screams, if I let this go, I will die. And it's right. But you, the real you, will finally live. During this phase, you may experience random crying for no reason. You're releasing lifetimes of stuck grief, insomnia at 3-5 a.m. Your pineal gland is recalibrating to cosmic time, old friends suddenly ghosting you or attacking you out of nowhere. Their energy can no longer match yours. Physical detox symptoms. Ringing in the ears, heart palpitations, intense pressure in the crown. This is the dark night of the soul on steroids. But here's what nobody tells you. The darker the night, the closer you are to dawn. The timeline jump, the moment you actually shift. One day, always when you least expect it, you'll be walking, showering or driving, and suddenly the air feels thicker, like golden honey colors get brighter. Sounds become layered, almost orchestral. You'll look at a tree and feel it looking back at you. That's the exact second you pop into the 5D timeline. Science calls this a quantum jump. Spirit calls it grace. In that moment, 3 unbreakable laws activate forever. You stop creating from effort. You create from alignment. Synchronicities replace coincidences. Time collapses. What used to take years now takes days. I remember my own jump like it was yesterday. I was making coffee. A totally ordinary morning. The mug in my hand started glowing softly. Not metaphorically. Literally. I dropped it, laughed and cried. for 45 minutes straight. That was the day every debt I had got forgiven. The soulmate I thought I lost came back. And opportunities started hunting me down instead of the other way around. The new human operating system. Living in 5D. Once you stabilize in 5D, your body upgrades into what some call the light body. Here's what actually changes. Your intuition becomes louder than your thoughts. You'll know what's going to happen before it happens. Manifestation becomes stupidly fast. Think it, feel it, receive it. Often within hours. You stop needing external validation. The opinion of others feels like background noise. Forgiveness happens instantly. You literally can't hold grudges. The energy is too high. You start seeing the matrix code. In everyday life, numbers, feathers, songs on the radio, all talking directly to you. Your sex drive either disappears completely because you're now making love with existence itself, or becomes cosmic, tantric beyond anything 3D ever offered. But here's the part that shocks most people. In 5D, loneliness vanishes. But you also stop needing people the way you used to. You love everyone deeply, yet you're perfectly complete alone. That's the paradox that triggers 3D minds. The biggest 5D secret nobody talks about. Are you ready? The shift is not about escaping Earth. It's about falling so deeply in love with Earth that you become her healer. 5D consciousness is not running away to some fluffy cloud. It's dropping so fully into your body, into this planet, into this now, that you start radiating a frequency that literally dissolves density everywhere you go. When you walk into a room in 5D, fights stop. Depressed people smile. Animals follow you. Children stare like they recognize you from before birth. You become walking permission for others to remember who they really are. How to speed up your shift right now. Stop consuming fear. News, gossip, drama movies, negative music. Delete it all for 30 days. Speak your desires out loud every morning, as if they're already done. The spoken word in 5D is creation code. Forgive one person every day who doesn't deserve it, especially yourself. Spend time in nature with your phone off. Touch trees. Put your feet in water. Nature is the fastest bridge. When something bad happens, say thank you immediately. In 5D, there is no bad, only redirection. If you're watching this, the shift has already begun inside you. There is no going back. You can slow it down with resistance, but you cannot stop it. The old world will keep getting louder and more chaotic, specifically to push you into 5D. That's the divine plan. And here's the promise. The moment you fully surrender, everything you ever lost comes back in a form more beautiful than you can imagine. The love you thought was gone forever will find you again. The money you chase will chase you. The health you prayed for will become your normal. You were never broken. You were just logged into the wrong dimension. Welcome home. If this video just cracks something open in you, do me a favor. Go back to your comment right now. Add the words, "It is done." Watch how fast the universe answers. I love you more than you know. We're doing this together. See you in 5D. Type "it is done" in the comments if you're ready. The next video drops when we hit 1,000 comments claiming their new reality.